Whoa! Okay. We're tracking down a tornado. Okay, where's the thunder? Miramichi tornado alert. Not raining, but that is scary clouds. I wonder if Jesus will protect me here. I'm gonna stay out here until it starts raining. Whoa, 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 look at that. What time is it? I don't know, on my watch. Oh no, they're very scary. It's a good idea to stick around here. Look at that, yellow. Whoa, okay. It's not raining. I think I'm safe beside the cross. But then again, tornadoes are known to also hit church. Why do I do this? Why? That is scary. That is scary. Not good. Something is going to come any second here. Really like to film that, but the lightning is on that side. Oh, ish. Okay. Heavy rain is coming. I should really get the hell out of here. Call me, I'll say we're, call me chicken shit. Ah, that don't look good. Okay, a little birdie is telling me to go in the car.